What's going on, guys? It's Eric from Yoka Her Skateboards, and today we're gonna be switching out this deck. We were kind of testing out some things on it, but I got a fresh one that we're gonna check out, and we thought it'd be a cool video to make, kind of getting creative with your grip tape. So we got a little crazy with this one. We did the neon green black to neon green. So if you come over here, we're gonna be setting up a new board. So we got the 8.5 Flaming Tiger, the board I always ride. Love this graphic. Enzo knows it's my favorite, so he always brings it. And we're gonna be gripping this board, and I'm no artist by any means, but I'm gonna try to do something really creative on there, and I'll show you the process that I'm gonna go through. Maybe it'll come out really good, maybe it won't, but we'll go ahead and grip this board and try to do our best to get artistic on it. But on our website, we are going to be using the grip that we do sell. That's what I always use. This is the Black Widow grip tape. So here's a little sheet that I had used for the previous board. And then we got this cool red grip tape as well. So I'm going to be going through and just trying to do something creative on it. And we offer so many different colors. So if you're watching this video and you think, hey, I want to do that, I want to get some colored grip tape and do a design, check out the website, because we have so many different colors and you can really make something kind of one of a kind that you're skating on. So next clips, we're gonna throw it on there, and you know, I have an idea, but we'll see how good it's executed. So let's see it. All right, guys, so we're gonna use this ledge as a little table, which is good because I rarely see anybody ever skate this ledge, because it's not really too much run up for it. It's kind of a bad skate park design, but oh well. So, like I said, we have a little bit of the black on the Black Widow grip tape. So what I was thinking was, I think I want to do half and half with the black right here, and maybe have like a little strip coming down, and then do something with the red. I'm not too sure yet. So right now, I'm gonna make sure everything's lined up when I put it down. So let's see, I'll probably do it right about here. And yeah, let's see. So pretty much just peel it off like a sticker. We've done tutorials about how to grip a board. So I'm gonna peel that off. I'm gonna save that little piece of paper right there, and you'll see why later. So all right, let's see if I can get this right. So I'm gonna do about right there. Looks good. So I'm gonna be pressing it down, kind of just like if you were to apply a sticker on anything. You don't want the air bubbles in there. But if the air bubbles get on there, not a big deal. I can show you how to fix that as well. And we gotta be careful to not let this excess go to waste, because I still want to use the black on there. So you'll see what I'm gonna do. All right, so that looks good enough for me. Oh, got a little air bubble. Great. So I'm going to grab the file. You don't necessarily need a file, any blunt object. I've actually gripped a board with a quarter before and just used that side and just kind of got the outline for it. This you'll probably need. So you'll need a razor or a sharp knife. So you use that as a template to go around. Like I said, I don't want to waste this piece because I still want to use it. Oops. Made a little mistake, but it's all right. We're gonna keep going. There we go. So I got my little strip I wanted. Didn't come out too bad. So I'm gonna set that down, and I'm gonna use this other side to make that little kind of little line in it. All right, so I'll do it as good as I can. Like I said, I'm not an artist. I don't really do crazy stuff with my grip, but I think I might start. It's been fun. Let's see. that would be kind of cool to have the bolts like exposed right there. So let's see. I've never done that before, had that exposed, but your foot's gonna go over there, so don't worry about having that exposed, but it doesn't look too bad. Hopefully I can cut it out good. All right. Take this and file it. Save that little piece right there. There's a little overhang right here, but I could fix that real quick. There we go. That kind of looks cool. What I'm thinking is I might do, I'm gonna do the red down here, or maybe I'll do a stripe going down this way, kind of like offsetting. I kind of have these bolts exposed right there. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take the excess that we have from the black grip tape, and I'm just gonna make sure to file it down on the side. So what this is gonna do, it's gonna keep the grip tape sticking. Like, it's not gonna peel up or anything. All right, so we're done with that. So let's do the red, and maybe I'll do the stripe coming, yeah, I'll do it coming down this way. So what I'm gonna do is, let's see, don't need all the grip, so it'll probably be easier to work with if I just cut the piece out. There we go. Save that red for maybe another project. So yeah, we can just, ooh, this is gonna come out cool. And then if I mess this up, we still have a lot of that, so we could work with it. All right, peel that off. Keep that right there. All right. Let's see if I can get this looking good. Make sure I have a little gap right there. Press it down just like a sticker. You don't want those air bubbles. And afterwards we can check to see if there's any air bubbles in there. And I'll show you how to get rid of those. Alright, file. I believe it was right here. Okay. Stick a little better. Light's a little dull we're using. Bear with me, guys. Alright. Then we'll use this strip. Not too perfect. I didn't line that up, but it kind of looks cool. It gives it a little bit more character, so I don't mind. Don't trip, it's only grip. You know, you're gonna mess the grip tip up anyways, but it looks cool when you have it fresh. It's just like a board. You're not gonna keep a board forever. The graphics will come off and you know, you beat them up, but it's a cool process to do, and it's fun to kind of get creative. I'm not the most artistic guy, so it's good enough for me. Enzo's more of the artistic guy. You should see the designs and stuff he comes up with. Me, I just more of a hands-on guy and try to skate and crack some jokes. And let me get that grip. I'm gonna sand it down a little. All right, let's see what we got. Kind of cool. So I got the back 2 bolts exposed and the front 2 exposed. So, like I said, if you stand on it, you're gonna say, "Hey, don't you need the grip on all of it?" Nope, that's what's going to be covered by grip on both sides, so this middle part's not going to affect me. This middle part's not going to affect me too much. As you can see, got the foot on there. We're looking pretty solid. So we'll fast forward to the next, and I'll have this board set up. So let's do a little magic and boom. All right, guys, so there you have it. That's me getting creative with the grip. So this is what I had originally. We had the green and black, and then that's what we're running right now. We got the red and the black with like kind of like a little line style. And so yeah, we got the Flaming Tiger. You can find this on our website and our shop Yokaher, so check that out. Yeah, and if you want to get creative with your grip, buy a couple different sheets of different color, get crazy with it, and then tag us on social media, and we'd like to check it out, because this is probably the best I've ever done. I think I'm gonna try to do some cool designs every time I set up a new board and kind of showcase what if my skills are progressing, or if this is the best I'll ever do. I don't know, but yeah, we're here in the morning at Chino Skate Park, and I'm gonna go skate. See you guys.